Today we're making slime from the Nickelodeon.
It's Cadence and Alexis.
Oh yeah, it is Cadence and Alexis. I'm Alexis.
We got our bathing suits on right now.
Because we're about to go swim after slime.
We're going to grab Nikki. She's so sweet.
So we're going to
make slime. We are making slime today. I'm so excited. Already got 4 things of slime. I'll show y'all later. I don't really feel like getting it out.
I'm doing a glossy slime. I don't know about Cadence. Are you?
What's that?
It's really pretty.
Sure.
Okay, and then we are going to get our
Did someone pour it in here?
Oh, it stinks. Okay, this is what they look like. Okay, and now we're going to show y'all us mixing them.
Okay, do we need to mix them?
It just got quiet all of a sudden. Okay.
Okay, am I done?
I am going to...
Let's see, am I done?
Yes. Okay, now I'm going to add purple glitter and Cadence is going to add blue. Or do you want purple?
I want blue.
So we can go ahead and
love my cousin. She's sweet. I'm glad she even gets to spend a night with me.
I'm glad I get to spend the night too. And I'm going to add pink.
I'm going to be gone 3 days, so I won't be able to see my mom. Do I need to mix it yet?
Yes, you can.
Okay, can you put my pink in there, please?
You want pink food coloring?
Yes, ma'am. I mean, yes.
She's really good with her manners, so
yes.
she gets...
I told her at the house, yes, ma'am. I'm like, okay, that's weird.
Okay.
Thank you. Like, I'll be with my manners almost all day. Like, you know. But Alexi, she don't have to. But that's okay because we're still kids. She's almost a grown-up. And we're not
I'm only 10.
I know. I'm not telling y'all how old I am because that's none of y'all's business.
She's 8. And I'm going to add foam beads.
You're going to have foam beads to mine too. Okay, add some to mine. Okay, that's good.
We're going to have crunchy slime. You're welcome.
Oh, I can already hear it. Not really, but okay.
Not really, but okay.
Add some more to mine.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's not waste all of them.
Yeah.
That'd be bad.
It's kind of starting up to slime. We forgot to add activator.
No, we didn't. We just didn't get to that yet. Now we're going to add the slime activator. Little by time.
I hope this don't add it like my pink slime did. Can you add some more to mine?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow.
And we still have lots more glue. Like, we can make
slime almost all night.
Okay, me and Katie is going to make one more slime after this, and then we're going to go swim.
We're not videoing us swimming.
No, because we're videoing on a huge tablet. And we are not allowed to take it outside.
She got a new tablet. White tablet.
Yeah.
Okay, do you need me to play with mine now?
It doesn't matter. It's up to you.
Wow.
It's not that stretchy because there's a lot of foam beads.
Yeah, but it is slime.
It's really cool. Show them yours.
This is my
Glitter
guy.
gets all over our hands, but
we don't really care. It does not stretch. See, it's like, but it is slime.
Crunchy.
I already have fluffy, I got pink, I got yellow, and I got icing slime. So I'm going to have to name this one. I'm going to name it Crunchy. I name my slime, so don't judge.
I do too. I think everyone does.
And I talk to my slime. And I give it whippings. Like,
What?
yeah. I'm weird.
That one's getting foam beads everywhere.
Yeah, but we can
Whip
clean
it.
up. Okay, we need to put it up. We don't really have anything to put it up with.
Okay, we're just gonna put it on the piano thing.
She's okay. Are you okay, Lexi?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That would have been happened to me. I would have just cried. You know?
Don't do what I did. Don't do that at home. Ow.
Yours is like, I felt yours. You can felt mine.
They feel the same.
Yeah, they do.
Okay,
I'm not gonna be like negative.
and we'll do another video later.
Yeah, we want to go
Yeah.
swim.
Thank you all for watching.
Give our video a thumbs up because we never get thumbs up. Please.
And bye. We love y'all.
We love y'all. Bye.